So how you can connect Claude Code MCP to Higgsfield AI. So this is gonna be pretty simple. All you need to do is to open your Claude app and make sure to go to code section. And now we want to click on this little plus at the bottom. And here gonna be connectors and click manage connectors. Now we want to click on this little plus and click add custom connector. So now type here the name of the Higgsfield like this, and we want to put the link of the Higgsfield here. So go to Higgsfield AI, make sure you are logged in, and here gonna be the section MCP CLI. Make sure to click that, that's new. And here go to the left to MCP section, and there are gonna be steps how you can set it up. We want to copy this link, go back to your Claude, paste it here and add your connector. So now the custom one is here. It's the logo of Higgsfield. As you can see, it's custom, and now it's checking the connection. Now you have to allow connection, so simply do that. Now you can add here permissions, so here you can always allow, and you can work with Higgsfield inside your Claude Code, so you can go back. Make sure to go to this plus again. Here are gonna be your connectors. Make sure the Higgsfield is turned on. Now I added here my new working directory, and you can create and use the Higgsfield in your Claude Code. From the Claude Code, you can make some prompts and it will work together. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.